Are key signatures putting you off from reading sheet music? Are you wanting to learn more about music theory and how key signatures work? Hi, my name's Anne Plummer, and I've had to deal with key signatures for my entire musical career. Key signatures are one of those things that can really stand in your way of being able to play more music. Together, we will tackle key signatures head on with memory exercises, practical examples, daily routines, and music theory lectures. I'll introduce you to the circle of fifths. The circle of fifths forms the foundation of music theory. So, if you're up for the challenge, hit the enroll button and I'll see you on day one. Thank you for checking out this course.